Oh no. Look out.
What is the matter?
Just watch.
If you say so, I'll watch.
Uh-oh. Sorry, Dandelion.
What's so funny?
Oh, hair. Ooh, off.
And you think that's funny?
No, not at all.
Well, it won't be funny when it happens to you.
I don't have any hair, so it can't happen to me.
In a few days, you will have hair, just like me. Well, like I used to.
Flowers don't have any hair.
You are not a flower. You, my dear lady, are a dandelion, not a flower.
What? Are you a flower?
We are both dandelions. You are younger than me, that's why you don't have hair. But you soon will. Hey, where are you going?
I am going to get some glue for the hair I will have, so I don't end up looking like an old dandelion.
Woo!
Don't worry, he'll be fine.